Okay, we got muscle cars, hot rods, and wild honeys coming up. This is a Christmas gift to all my viewers. Merry Christmas. There's a lovely lady and a 1936 Chevrolet sedan hot rod. There's a dashing honey and a 1926 Buick hot rod with two Jaguar engines. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. There's a sweet damsel and a 1946 Ford hot rod. Wowzer! There's a provoking looking babe and a 1956 Chrysler Custom SRT8. Woo-wee! Sizzling woman here, a 1966 Chevrolet Custom Chevelle. Okay, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's all she wrote, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.